All right, you guys, hey, what's happening? I just wrapped up class today, and the students wanted me to do a video about trading long term. As you can see on this particular trade, there are 477 pips on this trade, and here's the reason why. If you look at this one from the daily time frame, you can clearly see, let me check that for, okay, but this one here was taken from the daily. You see it was crowning up here over and over and over again. Right here, boom, 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 boom. Arrow came down, said down. This one came back up and retested an area. And right there is where it got in. You can see the stop, which I should have been moved that down, not paying attention. But that's the whole point. When you're taking a trade long term, the good news is if you pay attention or stop paying attention to it, you'll actually do better. Because this is one I told them, hey, I forgot all about it. But as you can see, it's up 478 pips. So I can actually do that. Sorry. Let's move this down here to here. Lock in that gain. There we go. 478 pips. But you can see I just strictly took it off the daily time frame. Now this is just using simplicity system. But again, I was just talking to them about how you can take trades off the higher time frames. And once you take it off the higher time frame, what happens is that you can just set it and forget it, treat it like a 401k or IRA account, something like that. Okay, and I've just drew a little trend line. Let me move this little box out the way so you guys can see this a little bit better. Because even with this little trend line, you can see it's creating lower highs. Here's a high. This one is lower than this one. This one is lower than this one. This one is lower than this one. So when it came down and retested and created the lower high, then you just hop in and rolled it on down, and there you go. Now, when did this one get entered? This one has been entered on June 8th. June 8th, and this is the July 5th. So almost a whole month. You know what I mean? Almost a whole month for one, and that's 480 pips. So that's about 240 per month. Or for one trade. All right, let's go take a look at it with these sexy analysts and combine. And you can clearly see the higher lows now. You can clearly see the little crowns. Okay, really clear. You can see it where the resistance levels have been hit. And I just took it off of that resistance level off the daily. Okay, so again, you can't take these off, man. See, look at this. This is why it's time to hop out. It would have been even more because look, see how it's tapping there? Time to get out, collect the profits, and be done. But I just want to kind of show you that sometimes you can just do some trades and just set it and forget it. And as you can see, again, just creating that higher low. But with the sexy analyst combined, you can clearly see that it provided the resistance level, so I clearly knew exactly what point to hop in. See the high, next high, lower high, and when this one hit, boom, and drop. It's the same thing, but it's in combination with the simplicity system. Everything was right there, and there we go. Okay, so hopefully this video helps just to show you guys that sometimes you can take some long-termers and just walk the heck away. Students in class today, you asked me to do a video about it and to show you this example trade, so here it is for you. And just review it over and over and over again. But sometimes just step out to the 4-hour time frames or the daily time frames and just kind of see what opportunities lie out that way. And sometimes you can hop into some really great trades. Like for an example, I don't know whether this is a hold or not in this area, but it sure is looking pretty nice thus far on this one. So I do have my eye on this particular trade here, which is the USD JPY. Okay, and here it is with the sexy analyst. So you can clearly see that's what it looks like from the daily. Now it could come back up and retest this level here. We'll know. But we'll see. But again, see with the resistance dots with the sexy analysts included, I can clearly see everything very clear. Okay, here is a high. This clearly looks like it's a lower high. Okay, clearly looks like that. Now again, you can retest and all that stuff, but so far, so good. Okay, so there we go. Just do it like that, and you can see it. See it? See now? Okay, you can see it. Looks like a lower high to me, but we'll see. Okay, you guys, that's enough on this video. See you in the next one.